Essentra Components has over 65 years of manufacturing experience, producing essential components and security seals since 2014 with the acquisition of Abric, providing comprehensive sealing solutions for our customers around the world. Essentra manufactures tamper-evident high-security seals, and indicative seals in our high-capacity plant in Rayong, Thailand. We offer pull-tight seals, fixed-length seals, barrier seals, and special-purpose seals for all types of securing applications. All of our security seals are produced under stringent manufacturing and quality control standards. Essentra is committed to developing sustainable security seals, making it easier for our customers to achieve their sustainability objectives. As a signatory of the European CPA, we are globally targeting to reach at least 20% of our raw materials and packaging from more sustainable sources by 2025. To ensure that our seals continue to meet the stringent requirements of today's increasingly demanding applications, our seals are designed and optimized in the Design and Development Lab by our in-house team of expert engineers. Prototypes are developed to test the required specification, fitting, and functionality. With prototypes signed off, parts are produced by injection molding. Our extensive range of over 50 injection machines run from 40 to 480 tons in our Rayong factory. This means Essentra has a huge capacity to produce high-volume customized seals and other custom molded parts in various materials, shapes, lengths, and color options. The molded seal body plus various jaw and cap combinations then undergo fast and efficient automated assembly and are permanently welded using either ultrasonic welding or heat staking. Our security seals can be further customized to enhance branding and security with specific customer logo, serial number, barcode, and QR code options. Customers can choose from a variety of printing methods that will change the durability and aesthetics of the finish. Our security seals are appropriately packed and accurately labeled according to customer requirements before loading for delivery. Why securing solutions from Essentra Components? We support your international supply chain with our 34 distribution centers across 4 continents. Our high-capacity plant in Rayong, Thailand is equipped for high-volume production, enabling fast lead time for our customers. Essentra security seals are manufactured under stringent manufacturing and security standards. Essentra is committed to developing sustainable security seals, making it easier for you to achieve your sustainability objectives. We provide flexible and tailored solutions to enhance your supply chain security. Talk to your local Essentra Seals expert today who will help you find your ideal securing solution.